In this video, I'm going to show you how to set custom availability hours in Acuity scheduling. Now, the first thing you have to do here on the left, you want to click on availability, and then from here, you want to select your calendar. So I'm going to select this one, the calendar one, and what you want to do is click on edit availability over here. So just click on that, and then from here, this is where you can basically set your custom availability. You can go and of course, click on set hours of availability up top, and then here you can go and set this. So for example, on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, etc. As you can see, these are my current availabilities. I can go and change these. For example, make this one from 10 to 5, and then I'm gonna make this one from 11 to maybe like 15. And of course, you can change this however you want. I'm gonna do it from 8 to 18 over here, etc. And of course, you can change this, and whenever you're done, click on save regular hours, and you're good to go. Now, if you wanna override hours for specific days, you can do that down here. Just find your day, click on it, and of course, you can then kind of change it over here. Okay, so as you can see, I can change this, for example, from 9 to 5 to 9 to, I don't know, 7, and I'm gonna click on set hours, and there we go. That specific one has been overridden. Then save everything, click on close, and you've successfully set custom availability hours in Acuity scheduling. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.